What's up, guys? Steve here from Car Breaking Out. We are getting ready for 4-box mixer number 629. It was supposed to go last night, but it was a little bit slow filling. So we brought up our hit list wheel. Let's go on ahead tonight. Best of luck. We're live. Good luck. 4 randoms as always. 717, just turning 718. Jonathan to Kevin. Anaheim to Winnipeg. Let's start with the teams. 1, 2, 3 is the timestamp. Oops. Third timestamp. Third timestamp is at 718. 718, last and final. Final timestamp, 718, and 718 it is. Let's copy these over. Boston to the Flames. Toronto to Tampa Bay. All right, not bad teams. Then we're going to match the names up. 718, Jonathan to Kevin. Good luck, folks. 1, 2, 3 is timestamp. $719, 719, last and final. Damon on top of the list and Jonathan on the bottom. Fourth and final on the video is at 719 again, and 719 it is. Damon to Jonathan. Damon to Jonathan. And Brennan to Jonathan. All right, here's your teams. We'll post them in your comments for you. We'll see you in an hour, about an hour and 15 minutes. Thanks, folks.